Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer Skills, and I am your friend Omkar. So today we are going to see how to make creative bullet topic list infographic. So now let us see how does it look. So on a click, the first point topic will come in, second, third and fourth. So this is the infographic. You can easily use it to make your boring bullets more creative and attractive. So now let's see how to make that. So now let us see how to make this infographic. So for that I have taken a blank slide, and first let me change its color. So I will go in format background and in gradient field, and from here preset gradients I will select the fourth one from the gray chart. Okay, now we will make the infographic. In the shapes we will go to basic shapes and select this shape, which is known as teardrop. Now go in format tab. Now we will make its height to 3.6 and width to 4.3. Okay, so now again I will go in home tab. Now in shape outline I will make its outline white. Again in width I will make its width to 6 pt. Okay, and then in arrange I will rotate this vertically. Now let us fill it. Now I will go in gradient fill, and here we will need 4 stops in gradient stops. Let us start from the first. So first I will give it white color. Second stop I will give it red color, and third stop I will give dark red or maroon color, and in the fourth I will give brown color, which is here last in the orange chart. Now let us see their positions. So the second stop position is, let us make it to 30%. Okay, the third stop position let us make it to 60%. And done. Now let us change its direction. Select the second last and see the type is radial fill. Okay, now we will insert the rectangle. Again in the shape menu, go in format tab. Now I'll make its width to 25.03. Okay, and its height to 2. Let us take 18. Perfect. Now what I will do, I will select this and press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Now the shortcut I am going to show you, most of you must not be knowing this. This is from my last video, text shortcuts. If you have not seen that video, then please go and see that video. I have given that video in our please go and see that video. I will give its link in our card button. You can view that from here. So what I have done, I have press here Control plus Shift plus C, and now I will select this and press Control plus Shift plus V. So this shortcut is for to copy the formatting value. This shortcut will be most useful for you also. Please note this shortcut if you don't know it. Now we will group them by pressing Ctrl plus G. Go in Home tab in Arrange. Now we will align it in center. Okay. Let us take it upward. Now let us insert the text tool from here in the shape. Let us make the text align in between, and let us write something. Let me write text your content here. Okay. Now first we will ungroup this, then select this text, then we will change its color to white. Let us increase their size also. Okay, 28. Now select this and select this. Go in Arrange, in Align, Align Center, and Align Middle. Okay. Now same we will do for here. Let us insert text tool. Let us give number. Now again the same process. Select this, give the white color. This time we will make its font to 32, or maybe let us take it to 48. Again select this, press Ctrl and select this. Go in Arrange, Align Center, Arrange, Align Middle. Okay. Now first we will group this. Now we will see there is a gap between these two shapes. We have to not do that way. Okay. Now we will select the entire and press Ctrl plus G to group them. And here we have done. Okay, now it is perfect. Now we will again press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. Arrange it below here. Okay. So now very simple thing, what you have to do, you have to just select them and then ungroup them first by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus G. This is another shortcut. Now I will just select this shape and I will change its color. Let me take here light yellow, here dark yellow, and let it be brown. Same, then again we have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus C to copy its formatting value. Again select this, again press Ctrl plus Shift plus V, and done. Now if you want, you can select this text and change its color to black. Okay, again this Ctrl plus Shift plus G to ungroup them. Okay, now same process. Now same process, we will change its color. Select this shape, gradient fill. So you have to keep this in same only. You have to just change their colors. Let us this time take this. let me choose this color from more colors. Maybe let me take this one. Okay, and done. I will again press Ctrl plus Shift plus C, select this shape, Ctrl plus Shift plus V, and done. Shift plus V and done. So you can make this as much as you want. So this was the concept. I hope you have understand this, and I hope that you will surely try this next time. So thank you and bye. Thank you for watching my video. If you didn't understand something, please comment that below. I will solve your problem.